5 people attending a community outreach event were shot at Rainer Avenue South.
Securing the scene, it's rather large.
Hey, roll him on his side.
That's the hurt arm. That's the hurt arm. That's the hurt arm. That's the hurt arm. That's the hurt one.
You just give me some space. Don't worry, man. Okay. Hey, guys, sit him upward. Sit him upward.
Sit him up while I get my grade.
I got you, darling. Where are you hurt, man? Where does it hurt? How old are you? Okay. You're okay. I promise you're okay. Okay. Ma'am, do you know where you're at? Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You're doing great. You're doing a good job. Okay? This is going to feel really tight, okay? Fine. You're doing great.
What we call, brother? Right there, man. They gotta wait till we get here to make sure no one else is. But how they gonna get in here? You guys are blocking this shit.
Hey, Omar, put over radio that safe access is going to be from the gas pumps. From the gas pumps, okay? Okay, ma'am, I need you to, yeah, sit up like that, okay? Yeah, okay. Do me a favor. Listen, you know where you're at, okay? You're well aware of what's going on. You're doing great. Trust me, okay? I promise you're doing great, all right? Yeah. Hey, directed him over here. Where's he at?
On the side.
This side? Okay.
I have to see it. Okay.
I'm not gonna move it too much, man. Do we need to turn in here?
Get outside and no, we're good. Get outside and direct fire and.
I direct him over here. So Chuck's in here right now. You got it?
Okay. Yeah, you're good.
You're good, bro.
You're good. Just keep
You're
going.
good. You don't gotta act good. You're good. You're good.
Yep.
Breathe, bro. Through your nose, through your mouth. I appreciate it.
Oh, yeah.
Where are we going?
Left.